Yo, what's up guys? So this is a new little series I'm doing. This is 60-second grades, where we take a little insight to how I grade a certain image. This week we are using a clip from a boxing match that I filmed in Cardiff. As you can see here, this is the raw straight out of camera SLOG A7S2. Needs a lot of work to it. So first up, we're going to add our LUT. Now I've added the LUT here. Boom, as you can see, still needs a lot of work to do this. So what we're going to do is we're going to fine tune it. So our second step is dial in the corrections. Now what I'm doing here is just playing around with the exposure, the highlights, the contrast, the blacks, the whites. So I'm just getting it to a bit more of a usable image. Next up is curves. Now this is when I fine tune the color and brightness adjustments to get the image just how I want. So as you can see there, I'm darkening it up a bit, changing the highlights around. And last up is my fine tuning. Now this is when I'll quickly mix around between all the different settings just to get the image perfected to exactly how I want. Now as you can see here, this is the SLOG, then graded, and as you can see, the final image. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this little insight to how I grade this image. If you do like these, let me know, and don't forget to follow and like.